Picture this. You are 3 hours into your shift. A patient is yelling. Their family is frustrated. A monitor starts alarming down the hall. And somewhere in the middle of all that noise, you can feel your own heart racing. Now here is the real question. Can you stay calm, think clearly, and respond with care, even when everything around you feels chaotic? That skill has a name. It is called emotional regulation. And the good news is, it is something you can learn and get better at. Let's break it down. Emotional regulation is your ability to notice what you are feeling and manage how you respond to it. It does not mean shutting off your emotions. It means staying in control of them instead of letting them control you. Think of it as a core part of emotional intelligence. In nursing, emotional intelligence and communication go hand in hand. You are reading your patients, your team, and yourself all at once. Emotional regulation is the piece that keeps you steady so you can communicate clearly and act with purpose. Simply put, it is the space between what you feel and what you do next. And that space is where great nursing happens. So why does this matter so much at the bedside? First, patient outcomes. A calm nurse makes clearer decisions. When you regulate your emotions during a stressful moment, you assess more accurately and you make fewer mistakes. Second, therapeutic communication. Patients can sense your energy. When you stay grounded, they feel safer and more willing to trust you. That trust improves how they respond to care. Third, your own well-being. Nursing is demanding and burnout is real. Learning to manage your emotions protects your mental health and helps you show up strong shift after shift. Emotional regulation is not just a soft skill. It is a clinical skill that supports better care and a longer, healthier career. Let's get practical. Here are 5 skills you can start using today. Skill 1, self-awareness. You cannot manage what you do not notice. Start by naming what you feel in the moment. Am I frustrated? Anxious? Overwhelmed? Just labeling the emotion takes some of its power away and helps you think more clearly. Skill 2, deep breathing and grounding. When stress spikes, your body responds first. Slow, controlled breathing tells your nervous system to settle. Try breathing in for 4 counts, holding for 4, and out for 4. Grounding works too. Feel your feet on the floor. Notice 5 things around you. These quick resets bring you back to center in seconds. Skill 3, pause and respond instead of react. Reacting is automatic. Responding is intentional. When something triggers you, take 1 deliberate breath before you speak or act. That tiny pause gives your thinking brain time to catch up with your emotions. Skill 4, cognitive reappraisal. This means changing the way you frame a situation. A difficult patient may not be attacking you, they may be scared or in pain. When you shift your perspective, your emotional response shifts with it. Same situation, calmer you. Skill 5, mindful de-escalation. When tension rises with a patient or family member, lower your voice, slow your pace, and stay present. Your calm becomes contagious. Regulating yourself first is what makes de-escalating others possible. Now let's see these skills in action. You are running to a code. Your heart is pounding. Before you enter the room, you take 1 slow breath and feel your feet on the floor. That is grounding. It clears your head so you can perform. A patient snaps at you for the 3rd time this shift. Instead of firing back, you pause, breathe, and remind yourself they are frightened, not cruel. That is cognitive reappraisal and the pause and respond skill working together. A family member is raising their voice at the nurse's station. You keep your tone quiet and steady, and you slow everything down. That is mindful de-escalation. Within moments, the tension starts to ease. Same nurse, same tough situations. But with these skills, you stay in control. Let's pull it all together. Emotional regulation is managing how you respond to what you feel. It improves patient outcomes, strengthens communication, and protects you from burnout. Your 5 go-to skills are self-awareness, deep breathing and grounding, pause and respond, cognitive reappraisal, and mindful de-escalation. The more you practice, the more natural these become. Soon, staying calm under pressure will feel like second nature. Here is the encouraging part. Emotional regulation is a skill, which means every shift is a chance to get better at it. Be patient with yourself and keep practicing. Ready to keep growing? Continue your learning journey with more clinical skills, communication tools, and continuing education courses at elitelearning.com. Learn at your own pace, anytime, anywhere, and keep building the confident, capable nurse you are becoming.